Imagine waking up every day to air that's silently harming your health. That's the stark reality of PM2.5 particles. Those tiny pollutants that can sneak into your home and affect everything from your breathing to your overall well-being. And guess what? The market for sensors designed to detect and combat these invisible threats in household gadgets is on a steady rise, promising a cleaner, smarter future for our living spaces. But here's where it gets intriguing. As we dive into the numbers and trends, you'll see how this growth isn't just about technology. It's sparking debates on whether we're truly prioritizing health over convenience in our increasingly connected homes. PM2.5 Sensors for Home Appliances Market Comprehensive Global Market Insights Report 2035. PM2.5 Sensors for Home Appliances Market Projections and Future Trends 2025 to 2035. The worldwide market for PM2.5 sensors tailored for household devices is expected to grow from USD $188.3 million in 2025 to USD $346.9 million by 2035, showcasing a consistent compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 6.3%. This upward trajectory is fueled by a growing public consciousness about indoor air quality, mounting worries over pollution's impact on health, and the widespread embrace of intelligent home systems. The market's path suggests a dependable climb without wild swings, pointing to a solid pattern of expansion. This measured CAGR underscores the progressive incorporation of PM2.5 sensors into everyday items like air cleaners, heating and cooling units, and intelligent air quality trackers. Key statistics at a glance for PM2.5 sensors in home appliances market. PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market size 2025, USD $188.3 million. PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market projected size 2035, USD $346.9 million. PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market projected CAGR 6.3%. Dominant use in PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market, air purifiers 48.0. Primary growth areas in PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market, China, India, and Germany. Major companies in PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market, Sensirion AG, Sharp, Panasonic, Honeywell, ProDrive Technologies, DF Robot, Cubic Sensor and Instrument Co., Limited, Nanchang Pantang Technology Co., Limited, Zhengzhou Winsen Electronics Technology Co., Limited, Guangzhou Luftme Intelligence Technology Co., Limited. Delving into the long-term growth patterns, it's clear the market has maintained a reliable upward path over the past decade. Starting at USD $188.3 million in 2025, projections show it climbing to USD $200.2 million in 2026 and USD $226.2 million by 2028, indicating smooth progress without any signs of slowdown. This reflects the increasing embedding of PM2.5 sensors as authorities and everyday people push for superior air monitoring tools. By 2030, the market could hit USD $271.7 million, thanks to innovations that boost sensor precision and make them more budget-friendly, paving the way for broader use in homes. The 6.3% CAGR represents a balanced growth pace throughout the forecast window. Yearly increases hover between 6.3% and 6.5%, showing minimal unpredictability and trustworthy development. From 2025 to 2028, annual gains average about USD $12 to $14 million, propelled by heightened awareness of PM2.5's health effects and worsening urban smog. After 2029, the pace picks up a bit, with the market potentially reaching USD $326.3 million in 2034, before peaking at USD $346.9 million in 2035. This mirrors ongoing adoption and tech upgrades that position PM2.5 sensors as vital parts of contemporary home devices. Examining the market's trendline, a straight-line growth model fits best, illustrating even and foreseeable progress without extreme highs or lows. The 10-year outlook paints a picture of a stable environment where expansion is mainly driven by tech breakthroughs, government rules, and consumers' rising focus on air cleanliness. While explosive growth seems unlikely due to the sector's measured rhythm, steady demand ensures continued progress. The market stands out for its even expansion, powered by seamless integration into smart gadgets and amplified concerns about air quality. Market size 2025 USD 188.3 million. Market projected size 2035 6.3%. What fuels the expansion of the PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market? The market's rise is backed by a global surge in pollution awareness and the need for cutting-edge tracking tools that offer precise detection of airborne particles and automatic device adjustments. Today's consumers depend on steady air quality updates and smart gadget functions to create ideal indoor settings, whether in homes, offices, or business spaces. Even small shifts in air conditions might demand full device tweaks to uphold health and efficiency standards. The increasing sophistication of indoor air management needs, plus the push for smart home compatibility, is boosting the call for PM2.5 sensors from reputable makers with top-notch accuracy and know-how. Appliance firms are now insisting on verified sensor data to ensure product excellence and customer happiness. Industry guidelines and benchmarks are setting uniform air monitoring practices that call for expert sensor tech and built-in control setups. Detailed segment breakdown. The market breaks down by light source category, usage, and geography. In terms of light sources, it includes laser, LED, infrared, and other types. By application, it's split into air purifiers, air conditioners, robotic vacuums, and more. Geographically, it covers North America, Europe, East Asia, South Asia Pacific, Latin America, and Middle East Africa. By light source category, laser light source segment holds 55% market share in 2025. The laser-based PM2.5 sensor category is anticipated to claim roughly 55% of the overall market, positioning it as the top technology segment. This leadership comes from the broad use of laser detection methods that deliver unmatched precision and dependability, suiting a range of home device needs. Laser tech is especially popular for its exact particle measurement and sizing in both dense and sparse pollution scenarios, guaranteeing trustworthy results. Manufacturers of air cleaners, HVAC systems, smart home tools, and appliance assemblers increasingly choose this option because it meets strict accuracy demands without high energy use or tricky calibrations. The ready availability of established laser components plus strong support and validation from top sensor producers solidifies its market strength. Moreover, this category enjoys steady interest worldwide, as it's seen as the benchmark for accurate PM2.5 tracking in consumer products. The blend of precision, trustworthiness, and tech readiness makes laser light source PM2.5 sensors a go-to choice, securing their ongoing appeal in the home appliance sensor space. By application, air purifier segment captures 48% market share. The air purifier category is set to account for 48% of PM2.5 sensor demand in 2025, cementing its role as the biggest application area. This prominence arises from the specific demands of purification units, where non-stop and exact particle tracking is key to performance and energy savings. Air purifiers frequently operate on auto modes that hinge on live PM2.5 data over long periods, needing sensors that are quick and reliable. PM2.5 sensors excel here by offering instant air feedback and enabling smooth fan speed changes, even amid fluctuating pollution levels. As global air purifier markets grow and stress better standards, sensor needs keep climbing. The sector also gains from fierce rivalry in home appliances, where companies highlight smart traits and efficiency to win over eco-aware buyers, with purifier makers pouring resources into clever controls and better user experiences. PM2.5 sensors act as crucial feedback tools for top-notch functioning. The boom in smart home networks, alongside a focus on health and vitality, guarantees that air purifiers will stay the main driver for PM2.5 sensors through the forecast years. What are the key drivers, barriers, and emerging trends in the PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market? The market advances steadily thanks to mounting pollution worries and the benefits of indoor air monitoring over old-school device operations. Growing health mindfulness among shoppers, the spread of smart homes, and official campaigns raising air quality awareness are key growth boosters. Needs for compatibility with current device controls and user desires for instant air info further speed up sensor uptake. Challenges include higher costs versus simple designs, the necessity for frequent tuning and upkeep, and differing precision needs across devices. Other hurdles involve sensor performance decline over time, disruptions from household cleaners or cooking, and the difficulty of blending sensors with varied device systems without disrupting features. Progress in sensor innovations. The evolution of sophisticated PM2.5 detection tools is bringing better accuracy, faster responses, and stronger resistance to environmental factors. Cutting-edge features like compact laser parts, improved light detectors, smart data algorithms, and heat balancing systems offer top performance at reasonable prices. These are invaluable for appliance makers needing consistent sensors for different settings. Recent breakthroughs include self-cleaning options, auto-tuning routines, wireless links, and AI that adjusts to local conditions, ensuring precise readings for the sensor's life and cutting user maintenance. For beginners, think of these as making sensors smarter and more user-friendly, like how a smartphone learns your habits to save battery. But here, it's all about cleaner air. Blending with smart home capabilities, today's PM2.5 sensor creators are adding robust connection features and deep data insights to boost device smarts and user satisfaction. Features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, app controls, cloud storage, and predictive tools enable better interaction and full air management. This includes live data views, trend reviews, auto alerts, and ties to platforms such as Amazon Alexa or Google Home. These connections work in diverse smart setups, catering to user tastes and automation needs. Providers now supply full software kits, APIs for outside integrations, remote updates, and AI that personalizes based on habits and surroundings. Opportunity pathways for the PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market. PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market opportunity areas. The PM2.5 sensors market for home devices is entering an exciting growth phase, driven by needs for intelligent air tracking, health focus, and new connectivity norms. By 2035, these avenues could generate an extra $80 to $100 million in revenue on top of basic growth. Pathway A, leading in air purifier integration. The air purifier area already dominates due to direct air control needs. Boosting sensor precision, smart options, and energy savings can strengthen its lead. Potential, $25 to $32 million. Pathway B, merging with HVAC systems. Heating and cooling units offer rising chances for built-in air monitoring and auto climate tweaks. Potential, $20 to $26 million. Pathway C, expanding smart home networks. Linking with full smart platforms and IoT setups provides premium spots for connected living. Potential, $15 to $22 million. Pathway D, enhancing robot vacuum smarts. Advanced robotic cleaners with air mapping and optimized cleaning open niche growth doors. Potential, $10 to $15 million. Pathway E, entering new markets. Asia Pacific and emerging areas show demand from pollution awareness and device upgrades. Potential, $8 to $12 million. Pathway F, commercial and industrial uses. Offices, schools, and businesses needing air control and HVAC systems present expansion chances. Potential, $6 to $10 million. Pathway G, focusing on health and wellness. Niche uses in medical spots, senior care, and allergy control create high-value segments. Potential, USD 4 to 7 million. Pathway H, advanced data and services. Analytics, upkeep predictions, and air consulting build ongoing income beyond hardware. Potential, USD 3 to 5 million. Analysis of PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market by major nations. Nation, CAGR 2025-2035. List of countries 8.5%. India, 7.9%. Germany, 7.2%. Brazil, 6.6%. United States, 6.0%. Japan, 4.7%. The market is accelerating quickly, with China at the forefront at 8.5% CAGR by 2035, thanks to intense pollution issues and rising smart air solutions. India trails at 7.9%, aided by environmental education and home device updates. Germany advances steadily at 7.2%, weaving advanced sensors into its solid home appliance and smart home base. Brazil hits 6.6%, emphasizing health and tech progress. The U.S. grows firmly at 6.0%, concentrating on smart homes and efficiency. The U.K. shows consistent gains at 5.4%, upholding air awareness and smart gadgets. Japan reaches 4.7%, focusing on tech polish and manufacturing precision. The report explores 40-plus nations in depth. Standout performers are listed above. Sales review of PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market in China. China is set to lead with 8.5% CAGR through 2035, spurred by harsh pollution in cities like Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen, which has heightened consumer focus on indoor air. This has made PM2.5 sensors crucial in home gadgets. Rising eco-awareness among China's growing middle class, plus higher incomes, is driving interest in clever air systems and smart HVAC. Big players like Xiaomi, Media, and Gree are rolling out sensor programs for health-focused buyers and rules compliance in urban spots. The fast uptake of IoT smart homes and app links is boosting demand for real-time monitoring and auto controls. Official eco-efforts, such as air standards and green building plans, are setting indoor air rules and efficiency goals, fueling advanced sensor needs in cities. The Healthy China 2030 plan stresses indoor quality, backing sensor gadgets. Internet plus smart home pushes aid air management and efficiency in homes. Local subsidies for efficient devices further speed adoption. Eco-programs encourage sensor use by appliance makers in T urban zones. Smart home efforts support modern air tech and health boosts for home managers. Demand forecast for PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market in India. India expands at 7.9% CAGR, backed by environmental education and indoor air benefits. Major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Bangalore, among the world's most polluted, create urgent needs for air fixes. With a middle class over 300 million, health and wellness are priorities, driving smart purifiers, HVAC, and sensor devices. Urban growth, with 35% plus in cities, and respiratory awareness open big chances. Local firms like Voltus, Blue Star, and Godrej team with global suppliers for affordable Indian solutions. Awareness and device updates create openings for suppliers meeting varied needs and budgets. Government smart city and digital pushes promote IoT and smart tech, favoring sensor appliances. Training via IITs and colleges builds expertise for engineers, ensuring PM2.5 tech meets standards. Make in India boosts local sensor production, lowering costs and access. Eco-infrastructure programs aid sensor tech for modern air norms in appliances. Training builds integration skills for appliance staff, enabling PM2.5 use in homes. Opportunity review of PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market in Germany. Germany grows at 7.2% CAGR, driven by smart home standards and advanced sensor use. strong eco-focus, strict air rules, and efficiency needs create a prime spot for premium sensor appliances. Top makers like Bosch, Siemens, and Miele invest in IoT and connectivity, seeing sensors as key for future devices. German buyers pay more for quality and eco-benefits, attracting advanced tech. Industry 4.0 and automation expertise support complex integrations. Smart home investments prioritize reliable sensors meeting standards. Government digital and energy plans back smart buildings and connected gadgets. Certifications from VDE and ZVEI ensure expertise for engineers, aiding diverse applications. Research hubs like Fraunhofer support sensor innovation. Smart home programs stress sensor use and standards for German quality. Training develops skills for appliance pros, supporting sensor integrations. Growth forecast for PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market in Brazil. Brazil advances at 6.6% CAGR, pushed by health awareness and air monitoring perks. Urban hubs like São Paulo, Rio, and Belo Horizonte face pollution from industry, traffic, and fires, raising indoor protection needs. A growing middle class invests in comfort and health gadgets. Local brands like Electrolux Brazil, Consul, and Braskem add air features for market edge. Respiratory issues drive demand for smart purifiers and controls. Health pushes aid advanced sensor adoption for companies invest in sensors for health and differentiation. Training via institutions builds skills for effective use. E-commerce expands access to sensor devices nationwide. Health initiatives promote sensors for better air and health in appliances. Development programs enhance skills for appliance staff, enabling sensor integrations. Market potential of PM2.5 sensors for home appliances in the United States. The U.S. grows at 6.0% CAGR, fueled by mature smart homes and health energy focus. With 30% plus households connected, it's ripe for sensor appliances. Major firms like Whirlpool, GE, and Frigidaire add PM2.5 to premium lines for health-conscious buyers. Varied climates, from California fires to Southeast pollen, ensure steady demand. Post-COVID awareness of indoor air's health role has boosted purifiers and trackers. Smart home leadership standardizes sensors across devices for consistent monitoring. EPA guidelines and Energy Star support efficient appliances. Big manufacturers add sensor features for diverse needs, establish networks, and training aid applications. Programs via ASHRAE build expertise for smart homes and efficiency. Smart integration standardizes sensors for quality across regions. Certifications develop skills for engineers, enabling advanced monitoring. In-depth review of PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market in the United Kingdom. The UK grows at 5.4% CAGR, supported by health awareness and smart gadget focus. Long eco-consciousness plus clean air and net zero plans create a supportive backdrop for air tech. Brits are alert to air issues, especially after studies linking pollution to diseases. Retailers like Currys and John Lewis expand smart offerings with air features. Older homes drive monitoring interest. Health investments prioritize sensors for varied uses while upholding standards. Makers follow NHS guidelines and rules. Strong awareness and training programs aid adoption. Institutes, like the Institute of Refrigeration, build skills for integrations. Research supports sensor innovation and health studies. Health programs back sensor use for quality and efficiency in appliances. Training develops skills for staff, enabling sensor capabilities. Growth evaluation of PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market in Japan. Japan advances at 4.7% CAGR, led by sensor innovation and precision. Advanced manufacturing and electronics leadership create a market valuing accuracy, reliability, and small size. Firms like Sharp, Panasonic, and Daikin use expertise for precise, compact PM2.5 solutions in purifiers, HVAC, and smart devices. An aging, health-focused population demands air fixes for breathing issues, compact spaces, and efficiency needs call for automated, data-driven gadgets. Tech investments focus on innovative sensors with precision and integration. Companies implement reliable systems meeting standards. Programs via GEMA build expertise for engineers, supporting monitoring. IoT and mobile leadership aids connectivity and interfaces. Innovation programs drive sensor development for accuracy and reliability. Certifications develop skills for engineers, supporting quality. Competitive overview of PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market. The landscape features rivalry among sensor specialists, appliance firms, and smart home providers. Investments target advanced tech, integration, accuracy, and software for dependable, precise, affordable air monitoring. Partnerships, innovation, and expansion are key to portfolios and presence. Sensirion AG provides full PM2.5 solutions with expertise in precise tracking. Sharp offers integrated appliances emphasizing air monitoring and smart links. Panasonic focuses on advanced tech with sensor blends and user optimization. Honeywell excels in environmental tools with sensor integration. ProDrive Technologies delivers pro-grade services with support. DF Robot targets accessible solutions for makers. Cubic Sensor and Instrument Co., Limited, Nanchang Panteng, Zhengzhou Winsen, and Guangzhou Luftme provide manufacturing, reliability, and development globally. Leading participants in PM2.5 sensors for home appliances market: Sensirion AG, Sharp, Panasonic, Honeywell, ProDrive Technologies, DF Robot, Cubic Sensor and Instrument Co., Limited, Nanchang Panteng Technology Co., Limited, Zhengzhou Winsen Electronics Technology Co., Limited, Guangzhou Luftme Intelligence Technology Co., Limited, Bosch SensorTech, Xiaomi Corporation, Plantower Co., Limited, Amphenol Advanced Sensors, Nova Fitness Co., Limited. Report coverage, item, value. LAN, quantitative units, USD 188.3 million. Light source category, laser light source, LED light source, infrared light source, others. Application, air purifier, air conditioner, robot vacuum cleaner, others. Regions covered, North America, Europe, East Asia, South Asia Pacific, Latin America, Middle East, Africa. Countries covered, China, India, Germany, Brazil, United States, United Kingdom, Japan, and 40+ countries. Key companies profiled: Sensirion AG, Sharp, Panasonic, Honeywell, ProDrive Technologies, DF Robot. And this is the part most people miss. While the market's growth seems straightforward, it's sparking controversy. Are we over-relying on technology to fix pollution problems that stem from bigger environmental issues? Or is this just a smart step toward healthier homes? Some argue that sensors empower individuals, but others worry about privacy concerns with constant air monitoring in smart devices. What do you think? Is investing in PM2.5 sensors a proactive health move, or could it distract from addressing pollution at its source? Share your views in the comments. Do you agree that this tech is essential, or is there a counterpoint I'm missing? Let's discuss.